Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Here's a detailed review of the ANBERNIC RG40XXV portable gaming console. This review covers the key aspects that gamers and tech enthusiasts might be interested in. Unboxing and first impressions. The ANBERNIC RG40XXV comes in a compact and stylishly packaged box. Inside you'll find the portable controller, a USB-C charging cable, a user manual, and possibly a screen protector or carrying case, depending on the package you purchase. First impressions: the device has a sleek, retro-inspired design that instantly reminds us of the classic Game Boy aesthetic. The buttons are well placed and provide a nice tactile response. The build quality feels solid, with a slightly textured finish to the plastic body for improved grip. It's light enough for extended gaming sessions, yet feels solid in the hand. Design and build quality. The RG40XXV continues ANBERNIC's trend of producing well-built devices. It features a 3.5-inch IPS display with a resolution of 640 by 480, which is perfect for retro gaming. The display is bright, the colors are vibrant, and the viewing angles are excellent, ensuring a good experience even in different lighting conditions. Ergonomics: the device is small enough to be portable, but not so small that it is uncomfortable. The D-pad and buttons are well placed for ease of use. The layout includes a traditional D-pad, 4 front buttons, start, select, and 2 shoulder buttons. The power and volume buttons are located on the side, and are easily accessible but not prone to accidental presses. Performance-wise, the RG40XXV is powered by a quad-core processor, paired with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via a microSD card. This hardware is sufficient for the device's primary purpose, playing old games from the 8-bit and 16-bit eras. In terms of game compatibility, the device supports a wide range of classic game emulators, including NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, GBA, and more. Most games run smoothly, without any noticeable lag or frame drops. The most demanding games from the PS1 era can also be played, though with some limitations depending on the complexity of the game. On the other hand, the device features a user interface. The custom Linux-based operating system is simple and intuitive. Navigation is smooth, and loading times are minimal. The user interface includes easy access to game libraries, settings, and customization options. Display. The 3.5-inch IPS display is one of the standout features of the RG40XXV. It offers sharp enough resolution for older games, ensuring that pixel art looks crisp and colorful. Display performance: the display is very bright, making it easy to play even in well-lit environments. Color reproduction is also accurate, which is crucial for older games where vibrant colors are often a big part of the experience. Battery life. The RG40XXV comes with a 2,500 mAh battery, which provides a reasonably long life for a device of this size. Given the average usage time, you can expect around 5 to 6 hours of gaming on a full charge. The exact battery life will vary depending on the type of games being played and the brightness level of the display. Charging: the device uses a USB-C port for charging, which is a nice modern touch. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge the device from empty to full. The device also features audio. The RG40XXV features stereo speakers, located at the bottom of the device. Speaker quality: the sound quality is decent, with clear audio output at moderate volume levels. However, like many portable devices, the speakers can sound weak at higher volume levels, and the bass response is limited. Headphone experience: the 3.5mm headphone jack provides a richer audio experience, making it the preferred choice for those who want immersive audio while gaming. Weighing in at 216 grams, the device is ideally weighted compared to other versions. Software and emulation: the device comes preloaded with a variety of emulators and a few classic games to get you started. In terms of emulators, the RG40XXV supports emulation of a wide range of systems, including NES, SNES, GBA, Sega Genesis, PS1, and more. Emulation performance is generally very good, with most games running smoothly without noticeable issues. In terms of customization, the system allows users to add their own games by transferring ROM files via a microSD card. It also supports features such as save states, fast forward, and screen filters, which enhance the experience of old games. In terms of connectivity ports and slots, the RG40XXV includes a USB-C charging port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microSD slot for expanding storage space. It also has a micro HDMI output, allowing you to connect the device to a larger screen, although this feature may not be necessary for all users. Cons: wireless connectivity. Unfortunately, the RG40XXV doesn't feature Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, which limits its multiplayer capabilities and online features. However, this is a minor drawback given its primary purpose as an old-school handheld controller.